how to unlink TikTok shop account. This is very easy. So before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also leave a like at the end of the video, and don't forget to check out more of our content. Now let's just jump into it. Now to unlink your TikTok shop account, first what you need to do is you need to open TikTok. Now after you've opened TikTok, just go to your profile page, and on your profile page go to the top right corner. You'll see three horizontal lines there. Click on it, and then again on the top right corner you'll see a gear icon. If you click on it, settings and privacy will open up. Now under the account section you will see security and permissions. Now in security and permissions, under the permissions you will see apps and services permission. Click on it, and there you will see TikTok shop. Open it. Now in my case I have not connected my TikTok to TikTok shop, so I will not have this remove access button. But if you've already connected to TikTok shop, you will see a remove access button. All you need to do is click on remove access and then confirm the remove, and then you'll be done. So that is how you unlink TikTok shop account. Don't forget to like, guys, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.